The microsimulation network of the Bhopal BRT corridor. We have the entire 24-kilometer corridor mapped out in a microsimulation environment, starting from Miss Road in the south, moving on through important places like Habibganj Naka, Board Office, Apex Bank Junction, Roshanpura, VIP Gate Junction, Imami Gate Junction, SBI Square, Lal Ghati, and finally ending in Bairagarh. The network has been developed based on the drawings provided by Aegis Consulting, and we have taken the numbers from the 2007 survey of traffic details, including vehicle compositions, directional distributions for the peak hours of 9 to 12. Some of the gaps that we can see here represent the bus stops based on the difference in the section design. Bus frequency is taken once every 5 minutes. We see a bus that is coming, that has just started from its terminus. It's coming at the bus stop. We are currently running the simulation at 3 times the real speed. The bus dwells at the bus stops for 1 minute plus minus 30 seconds, which is a stochastic distribution, and this has been also cross-checked with the operators of the buses. What we see here at the bottom of the screen is the timeline that is currently proceeding. We are at 2500 seconds of the simulation. For the first 900 seconds, the simulation is allowed to run to achieve an equilibrium, and we start recording results after the first 900 seconds. This figure shows the multiple of real-time speed that is being shown in the simulation. So currently the simulation is running at 3 times the actual speed. The types of vehicles include vehicles such as cycles, cars, autos, two-wheelers. The slow-moving vehicles here are the cycles. The faster-moving small vehicles are the two-wheelers. The blue vehicles include autos and cars. Each of them has their own performance characteristics and driver behaviors. Even the smallest of side roads have been modeled because all of them have impact on the network itself. We have matched the volumes going in and going out of these side roads so that the volumes at the major intersections are properly calibrated. Moving north, we now come to the proposed ROB that is going over the Habibganj Naka. This is the signalized intersection, as you can see here. Here's a bus stop right after the ROB. Move further north. This area represents the Mansarovar complex. And we finally come to the Board Office Square. The BRT takes a left from the Board Office Square, which has been modeled. After this, there is a stretch of mixed traffic. Moving on, we come to the Apex Bank Junction and north to the Roshanpura Junction. At places like the ROB, the curvature of the road, even at Roshanpura, has been taken. The slope of the road has been taken into account to match with the deceleration that's happening. This is the Polytechnic Square roundabout. This is a split of the vehicles after the VIP Gate Junction near the Moti Masjid and Curfew Mata Mandir, rejoining near the Imami Gate, SBI Square, Lal Ghati Square, and finally Bairagarh. The inputs into the simulation include signals at the signalized junctions, the vehicle volumes, the vehicle distributions, directional distributions, vehicle characteristics. Uh, the information that has been recorded includes travel times, queue length formation at the signals. We have also defined route choices for vehicles based on the data available to us. Behaviors such as blocking of free lefts by accumulation of vehicles can be seen in various places. Also, blocking of straight movement by vehicles moving right. These parameters are used based on our experience in various Indian cities to replicate the real conditions. You can see a typical two-wheeler pile up in the front of the signal. We have the ability to change the speed of the simulation, and what we'll do is now observe it at a real-time speed. The bus stop on the left in the mixed traffic section between Imami Gate and SC Express.